bones meet right in here, like a fork in the road. And these are carpal bones in here. And they let your hand do that in conjunction with the radius and the ulnar nerves that go all the way up. So, and then the pinky and the ring finger meet a fork in the road right there. And then the middle finger has no fork in the road, it just meets in the center of the carpal bones. And I noticed that right here was on the sternocleidomastoid and trapezius, right here was on the trapezius, and right here was the further down on the trapezius. So I said, this is the way I've been doing it for umpteen years. What happens if I just go 1, 2, 3 in these areas? 1, 2, 3. And focus on this area of the carpal bones, this area of the carpal bones, and this area of the carpal bones, so that the fingers will lengthen out and I would empty my palm. And it really works. And so I call it triadic resonance, because it goes all the way up here and then frees these muscle groups up here. So that's what we're doing on the table.